Hey guys, this is JDizzEats. Today we're doing something different. Vlogging in quarantine, and today it's my sister's and my dad's birthday today. So today we're planning to have a seafood feast. So it's gonna be comparable to the California, the one I had at Jackson Rancheria Seafood Buffet place. It's gonna be comparable to that place. So I am grateful for that and I wish them a happy birthday. And my mom is preparing the seafoods for tonight's dinner, a feast. And today might be fun. And yeah. Oh, look at that behind him. Crabs and shrimp ready to cook for dinner. Mussels right there. Clams. And in here we got some lobsters. Alright, come outside. And we're gonna grab this cake. Holy, this is heavy. We got some cake here. We're gonna come in here. That is the cake. Yeah, we just got a delivery from my mom's office mate. And in here, my mom said it's mango cake. So that's what we're gonna have for dinner. Look at that in crabs. You see there's garlic, butter. It's gonna be so good when we're eating this. And so is the shrimp. Oh yeah, we got lobster in here. And we got some shrimp and clams in there. And crabs in here too. I can smell that aroma, the spice in there. Yeah, it's gonna be served. Look at that. Oh, yeah. We're gonna do our seafood feast on my dad's and my sister's birthday. So what you don't know about Budol fight, it's a Filipino tradition of hands-on food, eating with your hands. It's militarized style. In this edition, we'll do seafoods. So with seafoods, we got clams, lobster, shrimp, and crabs. And we're gonna try the clams, I mean. It's in chili garlic sauce. And some rice. Rice may not be that soft or mushy or something. A little bit dry, but so good. And then we got mussels in here. It has some cheese in here. Look, been oven with cheese caramelized. We're gonna give it a taste. Oh yeah. It's buttery too. It's also buttery. And you put it with rice. You can get the cheese in there. And butter in there. I know it may not be that fresh, but it is really good, like the seafood buffet in Jackson Rancheria. Shrimp here. This is chili garlic. That's what I do. I sip the head.
Lobster.
It's so spicy.
Oh, that juice. Buttery.
Alright, here we go. Got the shrimp in. We're gonna taste it. It's spicy in there. So oily and buttery. And if you put this with rice right here, it will go so well. We got lobster here. And Dad gave us a cutting part. Look at that gooiness. Is it all in one bite?
Okay, hatiin mo. Parang di ka matyo.
Oh, so creamy.
Ibang.
Labs, kahit naman may crab tsaka hipon, di mo papansinin niya, pero bukas wala na kayo ulam.
Oh, we
Yes,
we got that crab in there. We're gonna give this a taste with rice.
Kain kasi maganda. May
This must be a good
mamaya.
part of eating it.
What's that?
Crab.
So flavorful.
Ba't ayaw mo? Crab.
You can never go
Try
wrong
lang,
with
try mo lang.
crabs.
Diba?
Diba?
Sarap nyo.
Even though it's not fresh,
Ano?
you can never go wrong with the crab.
Kinda.
Oh, look at that. Look how
Yun nga eh, proper.
massive parts of
Hindi
a
nila
crab.
nade-refund.
Oh, yeah.
Pag made-refund,
And then when you dip it with this
per
garlic
person,
sauce in
kukunin
here,
nila 500. Di,
When you dip
lugi
that?
pa tayo. So, ililubok na lang natin. Another month.
But I can't. Sabi niya sa kanya daw.
so
Daw na cellphone niya sa kanya.
good.
I can't go. I have
That's why it's called
next to it.
seafood feast
Yeah,
or
what?
bull fight.
But we'll have.
Oh,
Di ba ako?
shrimp.
Saka mag-sleep over.
Cut that in
Sa
half.
kama ko.
We're gonna put it along with the saucy chili garlic sauce. A clam. But with crabs and lobster,
Kasi si
I
Ludi,
put,
sino din ba din mo
Cajun.
tutulad?
we put it all
Kasama daw siya
together.
mamaya eh. Kasama daw siya mamaya.
Oh, I don't know. Because her eye, she hasn't even done her homework.
Oh,
Ibusin mo. Gusto
look
ko
at this.
kanin mo.
Got big chunks of
Did you cut the
crab in here.
Wow.
This is what I'm looking for.
Ayoko niya.
Mama, can you take a picture?
Teka lang.
Wow. Eat it. Eat it.
So
Picture lang mo kami dyan
flavorful.
hanggang nakain kami.
Hindi ko lang.
And I just forgot your sago. Sago gulaman.
Last mo na yan eh. Kaya ba nagpalit tayo sa akin? Like,
Sweet.
I'll eat the
Pretty sweet.
Picture kayo lahat. Picture kayo lahat. Picture
It's like caramel.
kahit ano,
Sweet
pag kinakain
caramel.
kami, picture mo,
And all
doon na lang
over.
yan.
Delicious.
Ano? Oh,
Last bite of crab. It's the most I ate. It's like what I ate at Jackson Rancheria.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ate Nana. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! We just done the feast, a boodle fight, and now we've cleaned up. So in here was used to be those leaf in there with seafoods, filled with seafoods. Now we cleaning up, and now we're up for dessert. We just said happy birthday. And now we're gonna give this a mango cake a taste that we got from my mom's office mate. We did a contactless delivery. Oh yeah, with cream, whipped cream, mangoes, oh goodness. It's not too sweet. And you can taste whipped cream in there. And you can taste that sweet mango in there. Overall, not too dense.
naligo pa to?
Yeah, look at that. Alright guys, I think this will be it for the vlog. Our seafood feast, boodle fight, whatever it's called. On my mom, I mean my sister and my dad's birthday. Pretty good there. I was so filled up. Not very full, but Ooh, it's pretty good. Even though it's not the freshest, because since we don't have a really fresh seafood in Winnipeg, maybe, but not a lot. Comparing to California, there's a lot of fresh seafoods in there. So, but at least it tastes pretty satisfying and delicious with those chili garlic shrimp and clams and the Cajun crabs. Didn't eat much of the lobster though. I ate some of it, but it was so hard to cut that out. Like cut the lobsters, had a hard time. But anyway guys, I love the mussels too. If you do enjoy this video guys, please leave a like, comment for any suggestions, and subscribe for more videos and content. And guys, see you guys next video.